This week I'm testing the Holden Equinox. It's a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Holden Equinox there are ISOFix in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guide, but they're really nice and easy to connect to. There's top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. Now I fitted two child seats really nicely in the back of the Equinox, in the outer seats, and with rear facing child seats installed there's loads of legroom in the front. It's really good. We could easily fit a 182 centimetre passenger in there. Storage in the back of the Holden Equinox is quite good. There are two cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They will hold a reusable and disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in them too. There are mat pockets in the back of both of the front seats. They are a good size. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. The door bins are a nice size back here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's really nice size wells in the door handles too. Storage in the front is good. There are two cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in them too. The central console storage box is a nice deep size. In front of the gear lever there's a phone charging well with a 12-volt and USB socket in there too. There's a glasses case in the ceiling which is lined. On the side of the central console there's a little net storage area, maybe for the passenger's phone. The glove box is a good size. It will hold my iPad and wallet in there with the manual. And the door bins are a good size in here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's good size handle wells too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Holden Equinox. Empty, it will hold 12 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 4 shopping bags, or the Britax Flex tandem stroller and 6 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller and 6 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 11 shopping bags, or a large dog. The Equinox is a nice car to drive. It does have that auto engine cutout that kicks in when you stop, and I can't find a way to turn that off. Apart from that, visibility is very good out of the back, and it is actually very comfortable. The media system in the Equinox is very basic, but it is easy to navigate. Well, it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, the camera image does fill the whole screen. It is a little bit pixelated, and instead of a beeping sensor, you get this visual on the screen and a vibration in your seat, which is a really good feature. To sum up with the Holden Equinox, it is a very comfortable 5-seater family SUV. 2 child seats in the back, excellent legroom and excellent boot space.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.